When it comes to home remodeling, particularly window installations, durability is key. Homeowners want to ensure that their investment stands the test of time, provides comfort, and maintains the home's aesthetic appeal. At My Quality Window and Remodeling, the focus on providing durable and long-lasting solutions is a cornerstone of the company's mission. From high-quality materials to expert craftsmanship, here's how My Quality Window and Remodeling guarantees the durability of its services and products. High-quality materials for superior performance. The first step in ensuring long-lasting durability starts with selecting the right materials. At My Quality Window and Remodeling, the company only works with top-tier manufacturers known for producing windows and materials that meet rigorous performance standards. This means that customers can trust that their windows will withstand the elements, from harsh sunlight and freezing temperatures to heavy rainfall and strong winds. Whether it's vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, each material is carefully chosen based on its specific qualities and performance benefits. For example, vinyl windows are well known for their resistance to fading, cracking, and warping, making them an excellent choice for customers who need a low-maintenance, durable option. Fiberglass windows, on the other hand, offer exceptional insulation properties and can resist extreme weather conditions. By selecting the best materials for the job, My Quality Window and Remodeling ensures that their products maintain their functionality and appearance for years to come. Expert craftsmanship for precision and longevity. While quality materials are crucial, expert craftsmanship is equally important. The team at My Quality Window and Remodeling is composed of highly skilled professionals who take pride in their work. Each window installation is done with precision to ensure it fits perfectly within the home's structure. Proper installation is essential to avoid issues such as air leaks, water infiltration, or improper sealing, all of which can compromise the longevity of the windows. The company's expert installers ensure that each window is placed securely and sealed correctly. This attention to detail helps prevent potential future problems and ensures that the windows perform optimally, even in harsh conditions. Furthermore, with years of experience, the team knows how to handle unique challenges specific to each home, ensuring that the job is done right the first time. Energy efficiency that lasts. One of the key benefits of durable windows is their ability to enhance the home's energy efficiency. At My Quality Window and Remodeling, energy efficiency is a top priority. The company's windows are designed to improve insulation and reduce energy loss, making the home more comfortable year-round. The energy-efficient design features low emissivity glass, insulated frames, and tight seals that prevent air leaks. These technologies not only improve your home's comfort but also help reduce heating and cooling costs over time. By providing energy-efficient solutions, My Quality Window and Remodeling ensures that homeowners enjoy long-term savings on their utility bills. Additionally, energy-efficient windows contribute to environmental sustainability by reducing a home's overall carbon footprint. Comprehensive warranties for peace of mind. My Quality Window and Remodeling understands that peace of mind is invaluable to homeowners making significant investments in their homes. That's why the company offers comprehensive warranties on both products and installation services. These warranties are a testament to the company's commitment to durability and reliability. With an extensive warranty, homeowners can rest assured that if any issues arise, the company will address them promptly and efficiently. This added layer of protection gives customers confidence in the quality of their windows and ensures that they can enjoy the benefits of long-lasting durability without worry. Commitment to ongoing maintenance and support. Durability doesn't just end once the windows are installed. At My Quality Window and Remodeling, the company is committed to offering ongoing support and maintenance to help homeowners preserve the longevity of their windows. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing wear and tear, ensuring that windows continue to function as they should for years to come. The company's team is available to assist with any necessary repairs or adjustments, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. This commitment to long-term support makes My Quality Window and Remodeling a trusted partner for homeowners looking for lasting solutions. Conclusion. When it comes to home remodeling and window installations, durability is essential. My Quality Window and Remodeling stands out as a company that prioritizes lasting quality through high-end materials, expert craftsmanship, energy-efficient designs, and reliable customer support. By choosing My Quality Window and Remodeling, homeowners can rest easy knowing that their windows will continue to perform beautifully and efficiently for many years to come.